welcome back to Pianowithnick. I'm here with another video. So we are still on the series on how to end the song professional way. Okay, so we are still in the key of F. In the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, and 1. Okay, basically the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, and do. I want to say this: if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be one of the first to get it. Also, I want to say a very big thank you to all those supporting my channel. God bless you. Today I'm doing this. Let's break it down. So I'm using my thumb to hit the 1 and the 1 on the right, and basically I'm doing 1 on the left. Okay, so basically I'm doing this. I am descending, okay, like this. Then when I hit the 6th chord, I'll do this, okay, like this. So I'm doing the B flat and the D on the left. Right hand is doing the D. One more time. So what is that? Then I do this. I'm doing the 3, 7 on the left. Right hand is doing the 5, 7, 5. Then I'm doing the flat 7, then 2 on the left. Right hand is doing the 5, flat 7, 2, and 5. So D, E flat, G, and C. Then I'm doing the C sharp, F, B flat, C sharp, and B flat. Then I do this, the 5 on the left, then basically the 4 with this melody. Then basically I'm still holding the 5 over the 2. Then I'll do this movement. What is that movement? I'm doing this. Basically, I'm descending. So one more time. One more time slowly. Then I did this one. What is that? That one, so I'm doing this. Let me show you the previous one. I was doing this. So that one, I'm doing the D, C sharp, the C. Then after I'm done with that one, I'll hit this chord. Basically the flat 5. So I'm doing the B, D, G. Then let me do it again. Okay, so that is 1, 7. Okay. Then I'll hit the A, which is the Mi. Then basically I'll have the 6 on the right, then I'll hit the flat 5 here. Then from there I'll move to this chord. So what is that chord? I'm having the G sharp, C, E flat, and G. So having this on the left hand, holding this down, I'm doing a walk down, okay? So I started from the C, then B flat, then G sharp, then G, then F. Okay, so like this. So basically this is C do, okay, but you can choose to do only the one like this. So let's start again. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. More videos like this is coming your way. Okay, I will see you in another video. Bye.